Hey guys, welcome back to CNC Clearcut. For today's video, we're going to demonstrate the handheld systems from Hypertherm. And this specific video, we're going to use the Hypertherm Powermax 30 Air. The reason we're using this machine is the fact that it has a built-in compressor, making it the ideal on-site cutting machine. Let me show you guys how it's done.
Introducing the Powermax 30 Air. This plasma unit has its own built-in air compressor and makes use of single-phase power input. Freehand cutting works great for making steel offcuts, or templates can be used to make more accurate and consistent cuts. The Powermax 30 Air can cut up to 6mm mild steel and is extremely light and portable, which makes it a perfect cutting tool to use out in the field. Here you can see IPEs and square tubing cut to size made easy by taking just a few simple measurements. With a steady hand and a good technique, even round tubing can be cut to size.
Thank you for watching the video. We are having a Black Friday special on all handheld systems at CNC Clearcut. Make sure to place your order. Please like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video.